So we're here tonight in Beth's Dirty Bohemian tent at Zap Hall, and Taylor, with his vintage typewriter, has created a poem just for me.
Just for you, Shannon. Oh, what a glorious day.
Oh, what a glorious.
What a good Friday. What a wisp of a dream we have been gifted, created in the image, to create the vision that has been woven into the very what that it means to be. Sowing fields of dreams with seeds of light and words that mingle and caress and get oh so close to a feeling that is forever fleeting, a moment we almost hold, a maybe more reverent than any sunset. This is where she lives. A mother to make wondrous world. A mother made to make wondrous worlds. Cultivating a life she loves, to harvest the life she lives. She knows the story and the author, and is formed for more than words can convey. So let the rivers of hope, encapsulated in tears, flow from the windows of your soul. Let the geysers go. From chapters of children to a home of heartbeats, to a tent of twilight. What a world, what a glorious day. An emergence of emotions, taking shape and lingering like the wind fluttering through a renewed mind. And what a glorious day it will most certainly be, when the veil lifts and limitations leave.
I like it. Damn.
Nice. I like it a lot.
Are we doing the
That.
I might need to print a copy of that so I can.
I'd get up and I'm gonna slip out.
Touche.
I think we're signing off on that. Good night, friends. Good Friday. Amen.